okay.
Daddy, please give me a pillow.
We don't have pillow here.
Because this is so heavy.
Bye-bye.
Mommy, I want to go to the playground.
Okay, nag-cellphone.
Tada!
Hindi ko maatimbili ng iPhone.
Mommy, I want to go to the playground.
Yeah, we're going now.
Ako
Daddy,
magbabadminton ako.
can I go to the
Badminton?
playground?
May dala kang
Dala mo?
Nope.
Daddy, can I go to the playground?
Paano ko mag-ano?
Ano nyo? May badminton ka ba? Sa bahay?
Daddy, can I go to the
I lost it.
playground?
Ah, you lost.
Wala.
Wala.
Daddy, can I go to the playground?
Wala tayo.
Kasi ba to? Dalawa nandun.
Oh, ayun.
Oo. Ano ba yan?
Kuhanin mo yung
Wala.
isa.
Oh, Daddy's gonna win.
Wait lang kung mali bata.
Okay. Yay!
Mommy, my friend stayed over there. I want to go there.
Go!
No, there's the water.
Sige, open your legs. Come, Mom.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Daddy.
Go, go, again.
Daddy, look at me. Daddy.
Team.
Wait, Mommy, I need to go there. Mommy, I got it. Sige, bangkod ako ba? 3. Bakit din ah? Bakla dito na! Tapos ka na, jump ka na. Hindi na ka dito madala. Sanji! Sanji? Nasa One Piece? Isa lang ko naghihintay dito eh. Hindi na ako Hindi na ako uka dito. Ganito lang ang sabang ko kayo. Naging statue na siya. Nagalaw. Baka kasi.
Ate, hold your hands.
Bye, Chichika! Kasali ako sa kanila. Dito. Mami, kaya pa isa?
Okay.
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Let's buy ice cream. You want ice cream? Huh? No toys. Ice cream only. Oh, which one you like? There's cheese, avocado, mango. What? Cheese?
Maliit lang to.
Apo, maliit lang.
Ilan?
Dalawa.
Pares cheese.
Apo. Let's go. Let's go to daddy.
May kayo ni Tita Ego.
Yeah, para macho man ka na, Kokoy. Want to try? Ha?
This is give up.
Go! Ayo. Sa ano siguro? Go, try.
No, don't worry, bro. I'll hold it. Okay. Then grab this. Grab this. Okay. Kanina pa yun. It's not that bad, right? Bro, what are you doing?
Kaso marami palang expert na nagbabadminton.
Ganyan ang ano, anak. Yan, pag sa labas ka naglalaro. Kabila na.
Ha?
Masakit din na.
Ang galing, ang lakas naman ni Kuya Kokoy.
She says it's heavy. It's not even that heavy. 2 arms.
Salamat ka na dati walang ganito.
Oo, wala. As in bear. Ang meron lang sila activity dito dati yung
I
bike.
think it's okay na.
Oh, let's go na.
Sa Sunday, di ba pupunta si Lamakloyd sa
Ito?
Ay, tumataas din pala. Ayan o.
Hindi masyado mabilis. Hindi ako nagbibilis.
Oh. Try by yourself, ate.
Parang gusto ko mag-try
No, that's heavy. Hindi niya abot yun.
Pwede mo nga-try.
Gusto ka lang ilan.
Oh, yan. Try mo, Kokoy.
That's 1, 2, 3. Hanggang 8 lang.
Pili tayo po. Gusto mo pagkain? Gutom ka na? Gutom na?
10!
Yata gutom na?
10.
Wow.
Okay na, no?
Ay, ando sa kotse.
Paano kaya to go?
Yeah, like that. That's for the legs.
Sige. Go?
Go.
Doon lang Kuya McLeod! How it makes me feel. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Oh, not there!
Which way?
Not there, not there. There she is.
There's the other sleeper. I don't know. You see this sleeper? Mama, no sleeper.
Bye-bye, Rishi.